Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Trello with AI to automate marketing boards, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Trello website. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed. Enter your email address associated with your Trello account in the designated field. Click Continue. If prompted, enter your password and click Login. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Trello. To use AI for automating marketing boards, you need to integrate an automation tool. Visit the Power UPS menu located in the sidebar of your dashboard. Search for an AI automation tool compatible with Trello, such as Butler or Zapier. Select the desired AI tool and click on Add to enable it on your boards. After adding the power-up, navigate back to your board. Find the Automation button in the top menu and click on it. Choose the type of automation you want to create. You can set triggers based on actions like moving cards, due dates, or comments. Define the actions you want the AI to perform, such as sending notifications or updating card details. Save your automation settings. Now, your Trello board is integrated with AI to help automate marketing tasks. Regularly review your automation settings to ensure they meet your marketing needs. Utilize the insights from your boards to optimize your marketing strategies further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.